Right, hello and welcome. This is going to be our substituting values homework help video. So what we need to do here is we start with an algebraic expression, and then we are going to plug in numbers for the variables, and we can simplify it down to a single number. So in number one here, we start with the expression y plus x minus 1. But then later we're told that x equals 2 and y equals 4. So, for a while maybe we didn't know what x and y were equal to, so we just created this expression. And then later we found out what x and y are equal to, and so now we can go back to our expression and take out these placeholders and put in actual numbers for them. So I like to put a box around the number itself and then draw an arrow from that box to the variable that it's representing. So if x equals 2, this x here can be replaced by a 2. Same thing with the y equals 4. This is going to come over here to the y. And let's plug these in and see if we can simplify. So 4 plus 2 minus 1. And then left to right, this becomes 6 minus 1 becomes 5. All right, let's look for one where maybe have some more complicated operations. Number 3. I'm going to replace that m with a 5, that n with a 3, and let's see what happens. We've got 5 minus 3 over 2. We do the 5 minus 3 first, even though subtraction does not come first in PEMDAS. The fraction itself is functioning like a grouping symbol and saying you have to simplify the top and the bottom before you can do this division. So this here equals 2 over 2 equals 1. Number 4, we're going to plug in a 4 for x, a 3 for y. We're going to get 3 squared times 4. This, could get a little bit messy here, so you could put a set of parentheses around the numbers as you plug them in. It kind of helps you to avoid confusing like 3 squared for a 32, or losing a negative. But now we can simplify this. Exponents go first. This becomes 9 times 4. This becomes 36. Yeah, let's look like problem number 5. We've got a 5 that's going to replace the x. There's 2 copies of y, so this 3 has to go both to this y here and to this y here. Both will become 3's. And now, so this doesn't look like a 53, I'm going to write it as 5 in parentheses, 3 in parentheses, and this tells me I need to multiply. This is one way to show multiplication. It's just 2 numbers in parentheses next to each other. Plus 3, do the multiplication first. 15 plus 3, that equals 18. All right, let's see if there's any others I want to do here. I think I'm probably okay with that. Maybe I'll do 11 just because it looks maybe a little bit more challenging. This 3 is going to go here, here, and here. And then this 5 is going to go only in for that b. And then parentheses can be helpful. So 3 parentheses, 3 plus 3 times 5. All right. This step would go first. It's our most inside parentheses, and we're going to do that multiplication before we do this addition. So 3 times 3 plus 15. 3 times 18 equals, that's 54. I should know what 3 times 18 is. 54. All right. All right, so we'll call that good for this homework help video. Have a good rest of your day.